bro, G. That time, but I see them, I say, boy, I mean, I see nobody not even have one soup spot that sell some soup. You know, like when you that yard, bro, G. All about the place, you can find some soup and the place you have to go in a restaurant, a long line, brother. You never see one vendor close by and sell some soup, you know, and corn and them things. Which nothing wrong with that still, once you think of alright, you see me? Yo, bad man, so what you think about being a man show? What you say? You not happy yet, man. Well, I don't know real foreigner, man. I say when he go on again, man. I got that answer. With the blood clot, I go on with the jungle. Yeah.
People still love me, man. I ain't good as one, sir.
What do you mean, man? I doctor that, brother, not change. Not change, but just here, bro. You have to remember, you know, brother, all of the man them, you know, bro, we put in them work, you know, bro, them have them legendary status and you can't remove that, no matter how you feel as a fan. And some people have to just get to themselves and understand that, bro. Like, listen to this, bro. Shaggy in his own category. Well, you have Shaggy in his own bracket. You have Sean Paul. You have Popcorn. You have Vybz Kartel. And many more. You have Busy Signal. Bro, it's so many and me I left out artists. You know what I mean? No disrespect to the artists I don't really remember, but it's so many other artists who are the good. Look on Shensia where them beat so much. Shensia right now one of the most trending artists on Spotify, and them as a Shensia. Everything, if Shensia look around, them say, you know, them beat her. Yeah, so you just go for show you, bro, no matter what people think or say. You see, you gotta have a set of people who not gonna accept you for nothing what you do. And you gotta have the rest of the world, we have sense. I gotta say, you hear me? I roll with you. You me I roll with. Nobody can change my mind frame. I just some little shaky people that not have a mind frame for themselves. Them just go with the trend, and if a man say, me not like that smarty there. Him not no problem with the smarty, you know. All of a sudden, him not like the smarty to kind of move with the trend. Yeah, so, yeah, you know like that.
But some Cartel fan, no being a man fancy.
Brother, it's a whole dancehall collective space, you know. No one man no control the whole dancehall fans, brother. They don't see him, we alright. Bro, alright. Then look, alright, listen to this, family. See, when you talk to Vybz Kartel, see, because Vybz Kartel is very intelligent. The Vybz Kartel, I can tell you the man them when look up to, and you know what I mean, and make you know, say, them people that make me really have that sound, or whatever the case may be, I'm going to tell you in the way where you can understand perfectly, say, yo, bro, you see right now, the way the man them set up the thing, bro, you see Alkaline do an interview with their fam, see? And it has stir up the blood clean thing, yo, you have to know right now to stir up the thing, bro, like, bring some drama in it, bro, because Alkaline get an interview. Remember Alkaline not do interview, no fam? Alkaline do an interview and them ask Alka, remember speculation long time, you know, dog, I say, boy, Alka bite the man's style and whatever, cause music are music, but Alka vendetta thing strong on the road, dog, and Alka say, yo, me, I'm a one man, me do my one thing, and you can't blame a man for stand for him own ground. You understand me? You have to respect that, you know. And if you say why enough people don't like that, because them can't fucking do that shit. Yeah. But Alkaline make a speech say, yeah, this no Alkaline say. It's like how Kartel would have say, yo, him rate Buju Banton and Bounty Killer, them make him turn artist, right? He say Buju Banton and Bounty Killer make him turn artist. See him? And Ninja Man, and he say first time he see Ninja Man somewhere, something in turn artist. He say from that Ninja Man he say make him turn artist. So he might give credit and respect, you understand? So the world want to hear Alkaline say, you pay him respect to, and then give him credits to Vybz, right? And that's why the world are wait for Alkaline, nah give to them, brother. And if you hear me, I said to you.
Mm.
Brother Alkaline, nah give it to them fam. And at that, I fuck up them head, brother. See me? It a beat them bad. See me? Because the man say, boy, Alka say, boy, only people inspire him and fans them. Clad, who got tell the dog this and that? Internet a burn up every vlogger run with it, dog.
You kind of, you have your own style and your own lyrics, man.
That's what the man say, bro. Him stick to him own style and him funny is that the man say, no. Man say him stick to him own family fam.
Yeah.
Bro, I love this whole thing, you know, because you have to remember, you know, dog, are two talented people we are talking about, you know. You see me?
Mm.
Man, we put it down so much, that's the man, them all have them own event now and thing. Brother, Alkaline audience and pick the thing, you know, dog. Nobody come feel like say you hear some little man attack, like, bro, I just hate some man I hate, dog, see? The two artists, them, I could talk about this pan a level, because you have some people I hate Banton Alkaline thing to big time. So, let me talk about this pan a 50-50 base, because we no care feelings around here, brother. Let me tell you this, bro. Because I talk mutual, bro. I'm a fan of the two artists, them. I want to see the two artists do great. Because when the two artists do great, we do great as Jamaican in the music space. So, here what happen now, bro. In that collective mindset, you know. Brother, two legend, them.
Yeah, I told them good.
See me? Alright. And it's no matter at this time, at this point, at the rate the Alkaline move and the way him get accepted already, you can't change that, brother. You can't, brother, you know. No, you that. Yo, anything if you do for him now, young love make you get hotter, brother.
I'm gonna eat that DJ, I'm gonna go entertainer, man. Maybe style different from Kartel style. Kartel have his style, my favorite style. You know, buy it on from Kartel. Kartel buy it, I see Kartel buy it on from. Popcorn, I see things. No man of them own, I do them thing, man.
You have your own identity, man. Man, them do them thing, man, breaking, and I have to respect that, bro. Man, two of them are do great, brother. Man, they must sell out show now. The thing is now, the man, they must say, boy, they want to see if Beenie Man are going to sell out show and thing. Brother, Beenie Man been a do it. And even if Beenie Man show, no sell out. I know nothing that, brother. Brother, for a person like me, let me tell you this, for a person like me, I don't wear that pan Beenie Man show and say, yo, Beenie Man a legend, dog. What you talking about, dog? Beenie Man a legend, brother. You see me? Beenie Man a legend, fam. Yes, brother.
Jaja. See, man, never go in all kind of foolishness all over the place. Just watch them, man.
You know I think set already, man.
Yeah, they run away. Well, they are 60 man, them kill. Boy, just the police and turn over 6 man at one time. Yeah, man, it's a thing like that, my youth. 6, boy, judge the man, they want to go and wicked out. But them say they want to clean up the place, brother.
Yeah. But as a man, I say no about